Meet NuFi, a non-custodial multi-chain wallet that can be your user-friendly gateway to Web3. You can use NuFi as a web wallet or as browser extension that is compatible with Chrome, Brave, Opera, or Edge browsers. When you use NuFi for the first time, you can easily create a new wallet, import your own, or connect your favorite hardware wallet for maximum security. NuFi comes with many functionalities that make it an all-in-one solution for crypto users. You can use an integrated crypto-to-crypto exchange, visually store and manage your collectibles on multiple chains using an in-app NFT gallery, create and manage multiple accounts, earn a passive income by staking on supported networks, swap and farm your tokens on an integrated Cardano DEX, and connect multiple DApps on different networks simultaneously for a seamless cross-chain experience. Enjoy a smooth and safe Web3 experience. Try NuFi now.